to announce to the distinguished Senate and all Nigerians that Mr. President has sent a correspondence dated 27th day of July, 2023 to this hallowed chamber, addressed to distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, President of the Senate, requests for confirmation of ministerial nominees. In compliance with the provisions of Section 147, subsection 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, I am pleased to forward to the Senate for confirmation the underlisted 28 ministerial nominees. 1. Abubakar Momo. 2. Is not stated. Ambassador Yusuf Maitama Chuka, CON. 3. Architect Ahmad Dangiwa. 4. Barrister Hanatu Musawa. 5. Chief Uche Naji. 6. Dr. Beta Edu. 7. Dr. Doris Anite Uzoka. 8. His Excellency David Omaye. 9. His Excellency Ezenwo Nyesom Wike. 10. His Excellency Mohammed Badaru Abubakar, CON. His Excellency Mohammed Badaru Abubakar, CON. 11. His Excellency Nasir Ahmed El Rufai, CON. 12. Right Honorable Ekpa. 13. Honorable Nkiru Onyechiocha. Onyechiocha. 14. Honorable Olubumi Tunji Ojo. 15. Honorable Stella Okotete. 16. Honorable Uju Kennedy Ohaneye. 17. Mr. Bello Muhammad Goronyo. 18. Mr. Dele Alake. 19. Mr. Latif Fagbemi, SAN. 20. Mr. Muhammad Idris. 21. Mr. Olawale Edu. 22. Mr. Wahid Adebayo Adelabo. 23, Mrs. Iman Suleiman Ibrahim. 24, Professor Ali Pate. 25, Professor Joseph Utsev. 26, Senator Abubakar Kyari. 27, Senator John Eno. 28, Senator Sani Abubakar Danladi. While noting that the above list is not exhaustive and that additional nominations will be sent in due course, I hope that the aforementioned nominees will receive the expeditious consideration and confirmation of the Senate. Please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators, the assurances of my highest regards. Yours sincerely, signed, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Distinguished colleagues, in view of the fact that we have not emplaced all our committees, this correspondence from Mr. President is committed to the Committee of the Whole. Leader of the Senate.